Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be walking you through how to easily delete transaction history on GCash. Now let's jump right in. First, open the GCash app on your mobile phone and log in with your PIN or biometric ID. Now once you're in, tap on the activity or transaction section where you can view your recent activity. Unfortunately, GCash does not allow users to directly delete transaction history. The history is part of the platform's transparency and security protocols. However, you can archive it by exporting a copy for your records. If you want to remove temporary traces of your activity, you can clear the app cache. Go to your phone settings, find the GCash app, and tap Clear Cache. This won't delete the history but will clear the temporary data. Although you can directly delete your GCash transaction history, clearing the cache and archiving your transactions are good workarounds. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.